Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have a recipe for preparing chocolate truffles. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. For the details regarding the ingredients, please check the description section. I will chop semi-sweet chocolate with 60% cocoa, put it up in a bowl and melt it on a double boiler. The same way, in a separate bowl, I will melt the white chocolate. Then I'll be adding butter to the melted chocolate. To make the truffles super creamy and soft, I'll be adding a little amount of heavy whipping cream. Then I'll be mixing the cream and butter with the melted chocolate. And for little flavor, a bit of vanilla essence goes in. For white chocolate truffles, I'll be adding a little amount of desiccated coconut. Mix it thoroughly with the melted chocolate. Cover it with the cling wrap and refrigerate it for half an hour. The truffle mixture is ready. I am using chocolate couverture for covering the truffles. I will microwave it till it is melted. I'll grease the palm, take a little amount of truffle mixture and make tiny balls out of it. Similarly, I'll make tiny balls out of the white chocolate mixture, and then it is the time for coating. I will dip in the melted white chocolate. Take out any excess and allow it to rest for half an hour in the refrigerator. Then for the other half of the truffles, I'll be coating it with crushed hazelnut. And then I will dip it in the melted chocolate. And even this, I will put it in the refrigerator for setting. And few, I will coat it with sweetened cocoa powder. And the chocolate truffles are ready. You can enjoy these truffles for 3 to 4 days by putting in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.